More going on inside the animal's head than any of us would have previously ever credited. There's a magpie. It goes up to the bottle of water and it dips its beak in to drink from it. But the problem is there's a limit to how far its beak can reach inside of it. And so it gets a stone that fits inside the bottle, which raises the water level so that its beak can continue to drink from it. This is some Archimedean crazy stuff going on.
It really is.
The magpie is ranked among the smartest of birds. This is doing something I think humans wouldn't even think to do.
Probably many humans.